Hey, this is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. Today, I wanted to give you a quick tour of the Uptime Robot. It's a tool I've had for years. It's free to use. I do use the free. You can upgrade as I will kind of show you around and how it works. If you have websites, as you see, I have three. Not only do I have Inspire to Thrive, I have a rural area life, one of my fun blogs, and Small Biz Tipster, which recently won an award as one of the top 100 small business blogs from FeedSpot. So all three of these I monitor, and you can see everything is up right now. But you can go back in time, and I'm going to show you the last 30 days where there were some incidents. And you can go to the incident report right here. What inspired me to write my last post was on the 10th of January, last week, I had a email that came through and said, Inspire was down. I was like, oh, now what? So I got on with my host company and did a quick chat. And before I know it, they had it fixed. It was back up in less than 5 minutes, well, 5 minutes and 3 seconds. So I really didn't lose much time there. Today I'm using Scale Hosting. I really love them. They've been phenomenal with their 24/7 quick support. And now I know exactly go right to them. If I have any problems with any of my sites, I have all three there. So you can see there was some other incidents here that happened on the 7th and then back on December and also November. And there was something that they did because I said, gee, this was the second time in just a matter of days, and they had to whitelist something. You may want to double check my full blog post. I think I actually took the quote from them so that you could read it, but they took care of it. So I was really, really pleased. So you have your incidents, you have your status. You can create your own status pages to users if there's a problem. I'm going to have to work on that one. I want to check that out. You can plan your maintenance, and it's $7 a month if you wanted to do something like that. You can have team members. Again, that's with the $7 a month plan. There's other integrations and APIs that you can use along with this. So there's a lot of things you can do, but I really wanted to show that for free, you can activate your own Uptime Robot. Just put in your site's URLs, your email, the email that you would, be alerted to so you know immediately, and you're able to have it fixed through your hosting company. That's why having a really good hosting company is so important. I really did like the last hosting company I had. Trying to think of the name. Hosting company I had was SiteGround. They were really good for years. They did give great tech support, but my site started getting so much traffic. There were things they couldn't handle, which is why I switched with the help of my tech king, Moray from Sri Lanka. He took care of that all for me. It was wonderful, and it's been going really well. So I do recommend, spend as much money as you can for your hosting. That is so important. When I first started blogging, after I left Blogger, went to WordPress, I had a third party. The person lived in a different time zone, and when something went wrong, I couldn't reach them for like a day. I just can't imagine going through that now. You need answers ASAP today in this 24/7 world we live in. So 2 tips for you. Great hosting company and the free Uptime Robot. And there's extra bells and whistles. You can do extra things. I'm actually going to play with the status page, and I may do another video for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I hope this has inspired you with your blogs and websites.